Aaron, are you learning to hold your bottle? What are you saying to me? Are you having fun at school today? Are you having fun at school? I love you. I love you. I love you. Where's your bottle? You want to show me how you hold your bottle? Show mommy how you hold your bottle. You want to show mommy how you hold your bottle? Yeah. There you go. Lift it higher so you can actually get some milk. There you go. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy learning to hold your bottle. That's all Sarah. We say thank you, teacher Sarah, for teaching me these tricks. Yeah. Yeah. What? What? What are you doing? What are you saying? I know, Jody, I know.